This is what we have planned yesterday on Link, and this is what we've got during the night, by the way. So it's pretty cool. We've got a long trade. Now, of course, this is absolutely 100% a full, it's a take profit one here. Clearly, you have to take here. Absolutely, say your stop loss, stop profit, and just enjoy the profit you just made, right? By following the yesterday update. Yeah, they say Chainlink will not dump yet, and we will push higher. And so yes, we've got this nice rise here. That's pretty cool. From a long trade, of course, I took that long. I don't know where I upload that. Yeah, I took the long trade here. So very, very, very nice long trade. Not gonna lie. Yeah, we got a almost 20% rise. Absolutely crazy, right? So that's pretty nice. Very good long trade. So now we can remove all of this, okay, and we can just update this chart. So the thing is, as I said in the last updates, okay, I don't know why it's like this. I mean, long to load anyway. So yes, we was looking for that wave 5, okay, wave 5 here. So now what we had to do was simply to pull the extension tool, okay, to find the targets from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 4 bottom. So personally, by the way, my stop profit, I am not going to place it, for example, here. I am simply going to place it like above the wave, just below here, this wave 1 top, okay, or above this wave on top, for example, because yeah, there is always a possibility, for example, if Bitcoin is just super bullish and we keep doing some really crazy stuff, to keep doing, for example, a wave 1 and 2 and bam, 3, 4, 5, and just big move to the upside and get a higher and bigger, longer continuation here. Okay, there is always this possibility. Now, I'm not too bullish, or I'm aware of that. It's absolutely completely possibly done, and we can absolutely, this was in any case to take profit, right? Now, yeah, it's possible also to make something bigger. Just be aware of that, because we're in some very, very, very strong uptrend. And I'm saying that people there, there are some people that are going to say, hey, you made just way too bullish. Yeah, but I mean, look at this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So we do the wave 5, you can see, and this was not at all a wave 5 top. It was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to push higher. And again here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the possible wave 5. No, we do a bigger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is something I will be aware of, to make a possible bigger wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. Like we just to speak. Oops. Again, I don't want to FOMO in the market. This is not all the goal here. Okay, it's to make money here, not to lose money here. So it is something I will be aware of. Okay, so wave 1, 2, maybe an ending, maybe an impulsive. I will take more the impulsive right now, but maybe an ending with a smell of a leading. I'm gonna take some ping wave. Let's go with it. So we can do some, for example, bigger 5-way like this. It's possible. Okay, so wedge to the upside here to take some more time, so not drop directly. Okay, so for example, a wedge like this, yes, the wave 4 in that case can break the wave 1 top and go between the wave 1 and the wave 2. You can of course now break the wave 2 bottom. This is possible. In that case, that is an ending. Okay, and then is finish the wave 5. And so in that case, we just have to look at these targets above. By the way, I was talking about this. I did not finish it with these explanations, but anyway, so to find a wave 5 targets, or maybe I say I can't remember, but anyway, you have to pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 4 bottom. From here, you add your 618, 121 extension, 1618, and 2618 here. These are all the wave 5 targets you have to be aware of. Okay, so for example, if you have to make a crazy big extension in here, we can do, for example, and go up here. It's possible. Now, is the most probable? Not really yet. Okay, but yeah, just be aware of that. Now, of course, in the wave 5, so we can get an ending like this. In that case, we normally should get an ABC zigzag in the wave 1, another correction, whatever you want, an ABC zigzag in the wave 3, another correction, whatever you want, and an ABC zigzag in the wave 5. Okay. Now, if we don't do this, we just keep pushing like a lot higher, then yes, this will be in that case an impulsive here and not an ending. Of course, not. It will be absolutely here a bigger impulsive, so to speak, a bigger wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. In that case, if you want to buy here, again, I'm not saying you have to do it. I am not personally going to do it. I'm just going to remain my long from here and the long from lower. But I do not click that long from lower. But yeah, what you have to look for here, from here for the targets, we have as low as 73% chance to go in between the 56, 186%. So to speak, to go in between here. Okay, the green level and the 2 yellow levels. Yes, we can do with 7x6. This is a target. Yes, we can stop with a 3.2. In that case, this is very bullish. Okay, but we have more chance normally to go there. Again, I am not going to take anything in here because it's just too risky to do this, but it is something possible and you should be aware of. Okay, to make something bigger like this. In that case, the targets are simply the following ones: 1-to-1 extension, so we have $12.22. Okay, with 22 cents. Then we'll have $13.78. Okay, then we'll have $16.30. Okay, these are the targets really to the upside. Remember the 1618, sorry, 618, 1618, and 2618 are never well touched to the dollar. We can absolutely spend some time a bit above and then retrace. We do not need to touch that like this and bam, it's like this. Spend some time and do something and then retrace. Okay, a few times so to be aware of. Okay, if you want to pull into play with some dates, you can be aware of the 6th of November 2023. That's a date, in my opinion, to be aware of. If we start reaching, for example, the wave 5 top, if we, for example, are in this wave 5 and we start reaching this date, then we should normally drop around this date. Okay, now if we, for example, do the wave 5 here, then no, there is no reason to look at it and wait for that flip time to take something. But yes, now this is in case we do something bigger. Now we already hit, as you can see here, the 618 first target, so we already have the 5 ways up. But I mean, not completely, to be fair, and not fully here, because we have a truncated here 5 ways in that case. As you can see here, we have the wave, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the wave 5 here stop before the wave 3 top, sorry. So this is a truncated, this is less probable to end with this. Now, is it possible? Yes, absolutely, it is absolutely possible. And we're now on the maximum target buys. We have this correction. If this is a correction for a wave 4, for example, that is a wave 1, 2, we're in the wave, I mean, we have done the wave 3, this is still the wave 4, and we're looking for the wave 5 next, for example, just one more push up. This is something also possible. In that case, you do have this possible, again, long setup, but as I say in the daily updates, by the way, in the Bitcoin daily update, but personally, I'm not going to take that. Okay, again, this is not what I'm be. This is way too high for me for a long. Just gonna remain my long from low here. But the thing is, just in case we'll have to drop from here, what we can look for. It's very simple. It's what we have planned. You know, A wave, B retracement, and then we look for a C. If we have done this ABC here, as always, we'll have a 5 ways impulsive in the A wave. We'll have a correction in the B, and we'll have a 5 ways impulsive or an ending as always in the C. Do we have the 5 ways impulsive possibly done? Yes, it's possibly done. So if this was a C wave top, then we're simply going to see a big drop on these assets. Okay, again, we can do, if you remember good, here's a bigger 5 ways impulsive in the ending in the wave 5 and all of this, you know. But once we have done this wave 5, remember we can be done with a C wave top. If we have done a C wave top, we're just going to all the push up we have done, we're just going to retrace from here. Okay, we're just going to do the opposite right now. We're just going to blow up from here and just come back down. Or if this is in case we're in a C. Now, before to look for a major drop, we still have to look for a possible wave 3 top, as always, wave 4 retracement, okay, and then we look for a wave 5. So wave 4 retracement, and then we look for a last push up, and then in that case we do have, you know, the 5 waves. So here, if we are in a wave 4, okay, if we're already in the in this wave 4 here, what we can look for is simply the wave 4 retracement target. So you pull your retracement tool from the wave 5 top, let's say that this is a wave 5 top or the wave 3 top, by the way, down to the wave 3 root or the wave 2 bottom or the B wave bottom. Here it depends how do you want to read this. So right here, perfect. You add your wave 4 targets, and so this right here becomes the wave 4 target. So this is a possible buy zone again. Okay, now yeah, this is a good retracement. So this will be normally a target. This is a wave for retracement. Now remember, if this was a C wave top, we're just going to literally drop from here and just go through this target. Okay, so what you can do here to recognize that is simply read an order flow. You can, for example, read this to determine if you have or not to take a trade. Okay, if this is more bullish or bearish, do we have absorption against the trade, do we have absorption with the trade, do we have trap long, trap short, where is the path control of the count, all of the data right here, for example. Okay, you can check, just ask yourself in the target, is it more bullish or bearish, and if it's more bullish, and you just do not hesitate, take the long, and on the long term you're going to get normally a better win rate and some better trades. And otherwise, you just have to check out a small wave. Look if this is more likely here an impulsive. So really, if that's an impulsive here down, we're definitely going to take out the lows once more for an ABC or for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bigger move to the downside. Okay, in that case, you wait for this bam B wave retracement or wave 2, and then you wait for the drop here to come and see here what we do. Do we hold that this as support, reclaim, maybe flip to support, or do we get a continuation and get nothing good for a low? Okay. So yeah, this is the updated count right now on this asset. Are we going to make something bigger or not? We don't know, but in that case, in any case, if we do, then this is a very, 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 very good long trade we've got yesterday, and yeah, we're going to get some really nice gains if we really have to push higher than this. Really, you know, with the nice long trade we have been able to plan yesterday, that will bring us, you know, if we make some really bigger 5 waves, then that will bring us, you know, with such long trade. So I'll be something really interesting in my opinion. You know, this is a potential, and even maybe go here. You know, I mean, I don't want to be too bullish. You know, this is the first target. I will not be surprised to retrace from here. Now, yeah, if we do something bigger, this is the next target. This is the third one. This is the fourth one, really. So be aware of that. We can absolutely reach $16. But yeah, it's not the most probable as always. Anyway, that's it really for me for today. Hope you enjoy. As always, if you enjoy the content, do not hesitate really to write some comments down below. This is very helpful. So thank you so much for taking the time today. Also, don't forget to smash a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. You know already all of this. Thank you if you take the time to do all of this. And on this being said, I wish you all a brand day. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.